Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here, as you guys can see up on the screen. Today, I want to talk a little bit about Helbiz Incorporated. This is ticker symbol HLBZ. This company was up 96, almost 97% today during the trading hours. It closed right at $17.70 after a previous close of just $9 yesterday. So again, almost completely doubled in a single day, which is absolutely insane. Now, after hours, it has given back some of these gains, being down 12% after hours, but still that has it sitting at $15.60, which is a huge step up from $9 being the close yesterday. And then, intraday things got even crazier, got even higher, sitting at, maybe $24.50 area. I mean, the 52-week high is $25.78, so it was pushing upwards of $22, $23, $24, $25, which is just a crazy day, and it's going to leave people wondering what the heck is going on. So that's what we're going to be covering in this video today. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I would appreciate it a ton. Make sure you subscribe to Tip Today and all my latest content, and check out the link in the description below if you want to receive a free stock by getting signed up on Robinhood. With that being said, let's get right into this one. So we have this article from investorplace.com talking about HLBZ stock, what to know as the little known Helbiz rockets higher. One of the fastest moving stocks is Hlbz today. Indeed, today's price action in HLBZ has been incredible to see, with shares of this micro mobility company skyrocketing more than 140% at the time of this writing. Obviously, this was written in the middle of the day. This is when we saw some of these, crazier highs earlier, and it kind of went down after this article did come out. But they do talk about how this is yet another de-SPAC company that recently closed its merger on August 13th. So really, it's only been trading, under the Helbiz name for about a month now, which is part of the reason why you've probably never heard of this company or heard of this stock. Since then, shares from the $10 IPO price level went all the way down to $6 per share. However, today's price action has driven shares of HLBZ stock to more than $25 per share, which represents, being 4x from those lows. But even from that IPO, 2.5 times in just a month, that's pretty crazy. Now again, it's under $20 again, so you're left with only 150 or 60 or 70% gains. I am sorry to anyone who bought in at the the SPAC date for this company. Post-SPAC merger volatility has certainly been the norm as of late. I mean, it's really been almost over a year now. We're going on a year and a half of this SPAC mania. However, for Helbiz and its de-SPAC peers, most of the volatility has been to the downside, but I mean, not for Helbiz, because again, it's way up today. What happened was HLBZ stock is surging on a media rights deal. Most folks know Helbiz as a global leader in micro mobility. Scooters and other various forms of car-free transportation to get around big cities. Obviously, very useful, huge market, a chance to make a lot of money. However, Helbiz is also a company looking to make waves in the streaming and entertainment spaces. Via its subsidiary Helbiz Media, the company has announced today a key partnership that could spur a tremendous amount of growth here. This partnership is between Helbiz and Fox Networks Group, obviously a very big deal, to broadcast the Italian Series B championships in the U.S. and the Caribbean. Perhaps a smaller deal relative to the rest of the streaming space, this 3-year contract could provide Helbiz with some nice momentum in a niche market for sports streaming. Obviously, being in the, getting to stream the B League from Italy into the United States and the Caribbean, obviously doesn't sound like too big of a deal. Will there be some market? Will there be some viewers? Yes, obviously, but it also does show their ability to actually land some deals, to actually get some things going. Also, with this, we'll see how well they're able to actually get this thing distributed, how well, their network and everything is able to hold up, and it shows the potential that they have for the future. To get to some of the big sports streaming things in the market, you probably got to start out somewhere small. You got to start to build your reputation. You got to start to build your name. So while this today is probably not the craziest, most exciting news in the world, I think it could be the start of something very good, which at least makes it an intriguing or interesting investment, or at least a stock and company to keep your eye on for the future. I'm not necessarily ready to jump in today, but if Helbiz is able to, show after a year or so, this is a 3-year contract, so after a couple of years, showing how well they're able to do with this Italian Series B championship, it will be interesting to see how well they're able to do going forward and kind of what their next big partnership deal signing, whatever, is going to be. But obviously, investors are at least somewhat excited about this, since the company did jump up so crazy. Obviously, things have come crashing back down. I mean, crashing back down to still, the tune of like 50, 60, 70% gains in a single day. So we'll have to see where things kind of settle out for this stock going into next week, going into the next couple of weeks, going into the next couple of months. But so far, so good. Again, we're up huge from their IPO date so far. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about HLBZ stock. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.